There are two special elements in HTML and XHTML that are specifically designed for applying style. They are the block element div and the inline element span. In this movie, we're talking about the inline element span. Span is used for applying a style to an inline part of the document, which usually means a piece of text. For example, if I wanted to take this sentence here and highlight it, I could use span like this and give it a class. And we'll get into the distinctions between class and ID in another movie. Here we're going to give it a highlight class, and I'll be able to use this same highlight class in different parts of the document. So we'll go ahead and save and go over to the CSS and we'll create a highlight style. So we're using the class selector, which is the period or the dot, call it highlight. So we'll give it a little background color, and a bright yellow should work nicely. And we want to give it a border, 1 pixel, solid, and a slightly pale red, and some padding. This would be 1 pixel top and bottom and 3 pixels left and right, and that's a shortcut for that. And there we go. There's our highlight style. So now when we look at this in the browser, this is what it looked like before. And you remember the text that we are highlighting is this. And if I go ahead and reload in the browser, we see there it is, and it's highlighted. It's just really beautiful looking. Now, I can take that same style now, and I can apply it all over the place. If I wanted to highlight, say, these two words here, I simply put in the span, class equals highlight, and close the span here. And look at that in the browser, and now we have this highlighted there. If I wanted to, I could highlight an entire paragraph using the same class. And now that paragraph is highlighted. But the point of this particular movie is using the span tag as an inline element. So here, every place we use span, it's an inline element, and it's just for the purpose of applying a style. So just as you would use div to apply style to a block, you can use span to apply style to an inline set of elements, usually words within a paragraph or something like that. And you can use the class selector and create a class and apply that class in different places using span.